Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara. And today we're going to be going back to my bedroom, which is where I am now. And we're going to be installing crown molding. So if you want to see how I apply this crown molding to the ceiling, then stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
A couple weeks ago, I did a little bit of a repair and makeover of the ceiling in my bedroom. And I painted it this beautiful shade of green, blue-green, and I think it just enhances the space so much. But because the theme of this room is like a French chateau type of theme, I wanted to incorporate some molding in the room. So I ordered some molding. It came faster than I thought it would off of Amazon. It's like this polystyrene plastic kind of material. Let's see if I'll take it off the plastic off of it. You can see what it looks like. So it's got this kind of intricate detail with these acanthus leaves and things like in it. So it reminded very much of like French architecture and the moldings inside old French buildings. So like I said, this room is modeled after the Marie Antoinette bedroom in Versailles. It's not, obviously not exactly the same. It was inspired by that room because Versailles is one of my favorite places to visit in France. So anyway, I wanted to make this room look really, French and luxe and luxurious, So the molding, I think, is a needed accessory in here. I do have a ceiling rose here and a chandelier, which I think gives that vibe as well. But I think the molding definitely will add or enhance that vibe. So anyway, I got this off of Amazon. I also got some corner pieces too that go with it. That will make it easier so I don't have to worry about how to cut the corners and miter the angles and stuff like that. The only problem is I do have a couple like angles in the room that I might have to, that might be a little bit tricky. So we'll see how that goes when I get to it. But for the most part, it should be straightforward. We'll see. We'll see. I also bought some liquid nails, so I'm going to be using the liquid nails on the molding and applying it to the wall / ceiling. And as it holds, then I'll probably reinforce it with my nail gun, my brad nailer, and add a few brad nails to it. It's very lightweight. I mean, it's not heavy at all. So I'm anxious to see how this turns out. So let's get to it. So because this house is old and there's no such thing as a 90-degree angle or a level wall or anything like that here, my little joint is uneven. I'm gonna have to patch it with some like plastering putty or something to fill that space, or maybe caulk it or something. We'll see. It's not super noticeable from far away, but if you get really close up, you can see it doesn't really match up. You can kind of see like it's stepped off a little bit here. But I'll fix it. But overall, I think it turned out okay. I would say maybe skip the liquid nails and just use the nail gun, because that's just more efficient. The liquid nails, it doesn't hold up fast. It doesn't take hold fast enough. So, you know, things are falling. And yeah, that makes it harder to get it into the right place. So live and learn. So I finished this side and partially the other side, but I think I'm going to call it a night, because along here, as you can see, I'm going to have to use the liquid nails because of the bulkhead from the vent, the AC / heating vent. And I'm not going to be able to nail into that. So either I'm going to have my daughter help me to hold it in place so it won't fall, or figure out another way to do it. Maybe some tape to hold it. I don't know. I got to figure something out. But on this side, like I said, I partially finished this side because this is a complex angle here. And there's another complex angle here over the window. And math, I'm just not, I'm not excited about doing any math. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can get done. Hello, friends. Well, it's 2 days later and I had procrastinated. I did not want to do these angles, this angle and that angle. And now I know why. It has taken me an hour and a half just to figure out what the angle is, because I don't have like any kind of measuring, like what do they call it, a compass or protractor or anything. I don't have anything to measure the angle. So it's really kind of trial and error with my little 2 templates that I'm trying to do. And I think I finally got it. So at least this side is up. I have to still cut this piece. And I think this angle is going to be identical to that one. So let's get it up there. Let's cross our fingers. Hopefully it's going to work. Alright, so this is the corner that has been giving me the flux for the last hour and a half. I could not figure out the angle, but I think I finally got it. And then once I patch it with putty and stuff, you won't even know. So on to this angle here, which, like I said, I think it's the same angle. I have gotten up all of the crown molding that I have, except for a few little pieces. The next step is to fill in the gaps in the like the putty with putty and stuff like that so that I can paint it. So let's do that. All right, so I've patched up all the joints. Hopefully that will be good enough. We'll see. I'll see in the morning if I need to put more of this putty in there. And then I'll paint it and then I'll be done. All right, you guys, it's done. I'm so excited. All done. So excited. And so the next thing I'm going to be doing is repainting like trim and stuff like right around the windows and stuff, the baseboards, which are like a mess. Yeah, so all done. All right, you guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were able to get something out of this video. Anyway, I am going to continue working on this room to make it more cozy, more more chateau-like, French-inspired. So stay tuned for further videos on that. If you have any questions about anything I did, please put them down in the comment section below. Sorry, words are hard today. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'd like to shout out all of my new subscribers. Hi, everybody. It's all new subscribers. I really appreciate you coming and welcome to this channel. Of course, I love and appreciate all of my subscribers, including all of my past subscribers. I love you. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. I feel so excited and energized by you being here, and I appreciate all of you. And I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Until I see you next time, take care.